Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video from Damn Fast. So today we are going to talk about my 2010 Toyota Aygo. Here it is. We have to clean everything up because you can see over here the sun shines. So we have to clean it up, but first a cold startup of this 2010 Toyota Aygo. And it is not a very expensive car, but it sounds pretty good and I like a lot how this exhaust sounds. So I think this is the last video where we didn't have 1,000 subs. If we didn't have it and this video is online, make sure to subscribe. We almost hit 1,000 subs. So it's really nice and I hope you guys enjoy this kind of videos. It's a first vlog in a really long time, so let us know if you like this kind of content. Now I'm going to clean the car and you can see I make a little B-roll and yeah. Wash of the car, it's now a little bit more clean. I'm going to clean the inside with the vacuum cleaner and then I'm going to give you a little tour of this 2010 Toyota Aygo with a custom exhaust. So now we are heading straight to the office. So the weather was nice, but now it's starting to get a little bit dark. Okay, so it starts to rain or snow already. That's a disappointment. I wanted to clean the car with the vacuum cleaner, but I think I have to wait because here's a car in front of our garage. So we have to wait until the car is gone. And until then, I'm going to take a coffee. So we start today really good with a very nice coffee. And also, if you didn't follow me or Nikki on Instagram, you haven't seen that we already have a Christmas tree. So yesterday we bought the Christmas tree. It was actually €1 at the Bauhaus. So a little bit of a sponsor. It's not sponsored, but €1 is really cheap. And we decorated it a little bit yesterday. Somewhere in this week or next week, I'm going to buy some lights for the Christmas tree because it's now really sad. So good morning everybody. I'm driving to the office right now. It's the next day. I cleaned up my car. It's clean now and I vacuumed it and washed it. The weather's not as good as yesterday, but that's the Netherlands. You can't do anything about it. I'm driving my Aygo right now. I wanted to make this video complete and I'm going to do it right now. Let us know which car you want to see on the channel. Do you want to see our cars? Because now we hit 1,000 subs. Yesterday we didn't, but today we have. And I'm very curious what you want to see from us on the YouTube channel. So this is my 2010 Toyota Aygo. Here we have it. I installed this thingy around 3 or 4 weeks ago. It's a Towhook. I customized my wheels, I cleaned it up and did the spray paint over it, and then I placed this AVV stickers that's from my web shop. It is a vehicle vision and it sells custom stickers and parts for your car. I place it on here for aesthetics and also for some advertising. Here I have the Instagram sticker, the Damn Fast sticker. I have another business with Google Virtual Tours, and this is the business from that. And of course I changed the exhaust. So here's the exhaust under the car, and the exhaust sounds pretty damn good. So, and this is a quick overview of the inside of the car. Here we have of course the steering wheel. In here I have a car perfume from CarTech. I use it when I want it to smell nice. I have basic carpets. Here is my phone holder, and you can see the very nice Damn Fast YouTube channel is on it. We hit 1,000 subs, and these are the videos that we make. These videos were on last week. And this is the seat. It's the basic seat. It's a cloth seat. And here I have some sugar if I drink a coffee. Here I have some cars, an Abarth and a Mini Cooper. Also phone chargers. That's also fine. And this is the display. I don't have the rev counter. I only have the speed gauge. So this was my car. I hope you liked it. I'm very curious if you want to see more of our vehicles, and if you want to see more of our own collection of cars or bicycles or scooters or mopeds or something. Let us know in the comments. And this is my introduction of this 2010 Toyota Aygo. Please make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys in the next video. Ciao!